Hello guys, today we are going to make a card game in Scratch 2.0. So first we need to delete this cat, okay? Backdrop like road. This much uh, like this. Okay, then we want to make a black color in this. So we make it and we want to upload a car sprite. That's why I am putting this. This is the car, my car. Then I am going to string it, small it. Then we got this and we will turn this to straight like this. Then we put this in here. Then when flag clicked, or you can when space key clicked. Then you want to put it here. Go to 0 point in 90 direction. Then our thing is when flag clicked forever uh, if touching color gray, then move one step. Duplicate it. If touching green color, then move 0.9 steps. Like that. Then when flag clicked forever if key up arrow pressed, turn right 2 degrees. Then duplicate that and put there. And if down arrow key pressed, then turn left 2 degrees. 2 degrees. Look, let's try that. Look, like that and like this. Okay. So like that, and we want to make a winning costume. Paint that and this much thick and touching green color, not that blue color. Okay, like this much. Then we have to mold. This is the starting point thing and duplicate it. We want to color it yellow. Or fill with color yellow. Sorry, like this. Then this is the finishing point and this is the starting point. Then when flag clicked forever if touching right, say you win. Then if when flag clicked forever if touching right one, say ready, ready. Then one. When I receive one, you can go with that. Okay, then like that, and we want to make a backdrop. New backdrop. First, pink color. Then text black and color. Then you win. W-I-N win. Then Y-O-U win. W-I-N you win. So okay, this like this, then we'll okay, then add another. Like this, and under background red. Now that fill with color with red, like black there. You lose. L-O-S-D, lose. Like that, and we all this thing, yes. Then if touching sprite 2, sprite 2 you win this one. So we will take it. If duplicate it here, then if touching sprite, screenshot that. I name it that. Car. Then we want to this car, and you say we not switch backdrop to switch backdrop to 2. Switch backdrop to 2. Then make a variable time. T-I-M-E-R, timer. So when flag leg forever, wait 1 second, 0. Seconds. Change timer by 1. When flag leg forever, if timer, we put that here, we stop it, and the timer less greater than 60, then change color effects by 25. Wait 1 second. You lose, L-O-S-E, lose. Then switch backdrop to 3. Let's move it. Okay, 3. Switch backdrop to 3. Then stop all. Stop all. Then like that. Then we want that and there stop it, and we put a set timer to 0 here, and here the timer. Then this bright one I put it when I receive one message that this here's that and message 1 hi. When flag click show, then here that, then that's only. It's the game. Let's test it. It's working. Tested this one. Oh, sorry. We want to when flag click for our switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Let's check it out. Look. Test it like this. Okay, go. What? Oh, that's not like that. So here we put it. Wait 1 second and move 2 steps. Let's take it out like this. Ready, set, go. Look. You win. When you win, then stop all. That's what we say. The thing. Then let's test out. So that's it. Then we want that. I mean, let's check it out. I forget it. Yes, that's it. That's it. Okay, that's what. If you touching green color, then wait 2 seconds. Switch backdrop 3. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's look it. This is the thing. We do not want to touch the green color, okay? We lose that game. Hooray! We win. Let's look it one more time. What will happen when green color touches? Let's look it. You lose. No. That's the thing. That's why. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. And put a comment below there.